Stop whatever you are doing right now. If you are thinking about buying a new Apple tablet, put your wallet away for a moment. Millions of people could end up spending money on outdated tech because Apple may be preparing something much bigger behind the scenes. At Apple's massive March product wave, we saw several big launches including the iPhone 17e and the brand new MacBook Neo. But one of the most popular products in Apple's entire lineup was completely missing, the next entry-level iPad. Everyone expected the iPad, 12th generation, to launch at the same time. Top Apple insiders were confident it was coming. So what happened? Did Apple cancel its most important budget tablet? Not exactly. According to reports from trusted sources like Mark Gurman, the device hasn't been cancelled at all. It has simply been delayed. And the reason may come down to strategy. Apple likely wanted the spotlight focused entirely on the new MacBook Neo and its aggressive starting price. Launching a cheap iPad on the same day could have created confusion for buyers comparing a budget laptop with a budget tablet. So Apple appears to be spacing out its launches to control the hype cycle, letting each device dominate headlines one at a time. But here's why the delay might actually be great news if you're planning to buy an iPad. The current iPad, 11th generation, still uses the Apple A16 Bionic, which is starting to feel dated in 2026. Leaks suggest the new iPad 12 could jump all the way to the much newer Apple A18, a massive performance upgrade for a budget tablet. That kind of power would unlock support for Apple Intelligence, bringing advanced AI tools to Apple's cheapest tablet for the first time. Reports also suggest Apple may finally increase the base memory to 8 GB of RAM, allowing smoother multitasking and better support for AI features. This means the new iPad wouldn't just be a device for watching videos or browsing the web. It could become a surprisingly powerful everyday machine. Of course, to keep the price around the usual budget range, Apple will likely keep some familiar compromises. The design will probably stay similar, with an 11-inch LCD display and a standard 60 Hz refresh rate. But with a flagship-level chip, more memory, and AI features built in, the iPad 12 could easily become the most powerful budget tablet Apple has ever made. And according to leaks, we may not have to wait long. The new iPad could quietly appear on Apple's website later this spring.